18 treasures. Okay, so ako day una sa treasures. Okay, to start. Hi, love. Hi guys, late na mo. Madayo-bayo mo. Okay na. Saan mo dance mo after this, ha? Okay, okay. Ano lang sa side? I need to be treasures ninyo. Oh, sige, go. After running a batch. Okay, ako sa'yo una ha. Ako'y first. Nga treasure. Hi, love. Happy birthday, love. Morning akong treasure because I've been so busy planning. Madaling alam, I had no time. But the biggest treasure and I'll never give you is my love and support forever and ever. I love you. Okay, whatever. Ang next, Casey Samantha. Happy birthday. Okay, next we have Kian you'll be happier in this another chapter of your life and to more spontaneous life. May God bless you. And for my ship, love you, happy birthday. Thank you. Next we have Margaret Stevie. Hi, Jane. Happy birthday. Hi, Jane. Jane. God. Ako rin yung malit nga gift eh. Bantay ko mo, wala pinili mo. Hope you appreciate this. Happy birthday, Jane. Love you. Thank you. Okay, next we have Hanako Davido. Hi, Jane. Happy birthday, Jane. Akong gift is simple na girl. Wala na pala. Simple na girl. Display na dito sa party. Happy birthday, Jane. Okay, next kay Kim Chin Biho. Hello, guys. Happy birthday. Ano ako yung birthday niya. Pag-ibig na ako yung I hope this gift will serve as a reminder to you that you are always appreciated. Reminder us how really wonderful and amazing you truly are. I wish you nothing but all the best, guys. Krista, di ay Krista! Hi, Jane. Happy birthday. Akong gift kay Happy someone. This is from someone. Pero akong gift kay para to siya to hydrate your skin, your skin. Yeah, happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your day and your love by everyone. Yay, thank you, Jesus. Next we have Jane Saisa.
Happy birthday! I wish you the best and all happiness in life. Kung akong gift mo, I is handmade and yes, handmade din siya and pag mo na kaling gift, yun ako na ako sa kapag-itaw and I know you're a sweet person. So, kanya ako gift a simple independence and
Mura lang din ilas ko sa birthday. Okay, next Casey Nice. Paging Nice.
Hi, ito po. Happy birthday. You'll always be there for me no matter what, whether I'm needing someone to laugh with or just someone to love. Honestly, I don't know how I'll get through some of the toughest moments. You're the one I can turn to when the world feels heavy, and I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Saying you're my idol, my cheerleader, and the person who always makes my day better. It's rare to find someone who loves you exactly for who you are, who celebrates your wins, picks you up when you're feeling down. I'm really thankful to have you by my side, and always remember, no matter what life may pass, I've got your back the same way you always had mine. You're capable of your full life, and you deserve everything. You're already achieved so much, but I know this is only the beginning. Your dreams are huge, and I have no doubt you'll make every single one of them. On your birthday, I wish you all the best, because no one deserves it.
Same thought.
Keep chasing your dreams, and when you get there, I'll be right here, cheering you on. Never forget how incredible you are, not just as my friend, but as the woman you are. Thanks for my sisters and love and more than that, I believe in you always and always have your back no matter what.
For all that though. Okay, next we have Miss Hillary Caran.
Happy birthday, Jane. You are the kind of friend that I never knew I needed. Thank you for noticing every time I post something pinawagsakin ko. And thank you for always checking if I was okay during those moments. I'm so lucky to get the chance to be your friend. This gift symbolizes the colors you paint on my darkest times. May every stroke of color remind you how relevant you are in my life. Happy birthday, Jane.
Next we have Danica Chelsea.
Happy birthday, Jane. This week, reminds me of how wonderful and interesting I know. And I remember yung time first na tumamit ako na design na para sa katong sinulog ko kay sa katong cultural dance na din atong focus niya. O di ko ga-expect na mag-suod na din. Hindi ko naman itong mga kanchok-kanchok, mga jokes-jokes na ulit na karoon na atin ako sa sa akong gisulti, dito nga nagpakita maka sa karutan, sa kakabert, maayo nga tao sa tanan. And this gift
wrong gihagan mo kaya you want to record memories and as well be dream. Yes, iPad 6. iPad 6 mini. Yeah, I hope na imuling Thank you. Next is Bea Marie.
Jane, wajud ko nag-work na namin ko din message na nakag-ask tayo kasi guys, nag-prepare ka siya. I-search ito niya sa ChatGPT, ibaw ko. Yan, ako explanation nito kaya namin kayo. Jane, happy birthday. I know this gift is simple, but I swear the treasure I give you today is something deeper gift, guys. Kaya nung ko na yung mga mo-chat ka sa GC ba nga? Ay, wala. Naalin nyo ako ang kuhan. Bibuli. Pagkakay na kayo. Nung ko na wala. Pero hindi mo nila kung kaya. Hindi mo naman ang imatag nila kayo. Ay, kung maibig mga makuha nila. So, mo niya kung ipalit para nimo. Love you, Jane. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you. Next, ako'y nakalimutan si Althea Nicole. So, hi Jane, happy birthday. So, dito na, pag-iwan mo nga amin ko sa treasure. So, lisod kayo, una-una sa ako'y give. Murag, tanan naman, makaya ni mo ang ipalitod. Yan, tanan. Mas lisod pa siya, una-una kaysa mag-take out sa research title na to. So, then suddenly, ni-pop sa akong mind na naman yung sa kabutang na permi mawani mo. Permi ka makuwag sa ako, permi ka magayo. Mangguhit lang ka na. Pahol pa ko sa paper. Nakahula ako na mo niya ko yung palit para ni mo. Help mo sa mali siya kay kung mas-stress ka na ako, pahit lang. Happy birthday. Thank you! Sige, next kay si Ray Aldred Duran.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Jane.
So, happy birthday. So, ano na lang siya, simple na lang ang message. Ikaw ang gulay, diba ng gulay nga ako na ilan, Jane. Kaya ang first kay, napayuan ko ato kay, naghimo ka o group chat, kamong marka. Kay, actually si Jane, kay lahit na siyang section. Then, nahibong lang ko kay ilang kong ipugos kay I was the mayor sa section ato na niya ko siya nga please i-insert ko sa yung section kay ganahan ko mabalhin nila. So, ako kay wala ko choice, kay niya ko nga mag-wait na lang ko nga magpuno ang kuhan para ma-appeal ka. So, pag-andam na lang sa mong requirements. So, manito niya ko nga okay ra. So, until now, nagkasuot mi ni Jill. So, wako na-expect na magkasuot mi. So, ano na lang siya, thank you sa tanan, thank you for inviting me here as one of your treasure, one of your lahat. Inatulog ko mo balik, din na yun, inista ko na kadaghan. Yeah, ano sa, more birthdays to come and may God bless you as soon as possible. Ano, yeah, kano siya na-gift kay, only ka nang kausap ni siya nahitabo na ito niya. I hope nga iwan ni siya lumal ko yan. I know, lisod siya tag-anon kung unsan ni siya. Okay ba kung di ka ganan-ani. So ako ni siya gibuhat o gipalit para ni mo. So, happy birthday, Jay.
Okay, next. Thank you kaayo ato ng message. Next is si Jinky Espina. Happy birthday, Jane. Ang akong first day akong di nakag-give up kay kapala na katay. Soju dahil tingano. Nagkita memory ato dahil. Wala akong kapalit ako kay secret. Dahil ka na lang simple lang din akong gift. Di ka na sa Dubai. Di ato rin na ako siya kay Giwagtas yun ako kay Kuan. Yeah, color brown na siya ka. So, wala naman ka dahil, hindi na naman ka minor, so... Walang pa na ka dahil, pero walang pinagig ka permit. Ako sad, okay, pareha naman ta. So, happy birthday, thank you Jane. Sorry, thank you. Sunod si Maria ay sa ang bahay mo sa inyo.
Hi, dog.
Trust.
Hi. So, parang, natayo na dyan ang mga drawings. Tama tayo na to. Kay puno na kaya to ang coloring book. And thank you for always listening sa mga chika. And I'm always there for you. So, kanina gift kay, I know magamit dyan mo kay we both have same hair. And I want you to try something new. Happy birthday, Jane!
Thank you. Next is si Bernie Matthew Manigo.
Hi guys. So this year, for your birthday, I wanted to give a gift that truly reflected your biggest asset, your incredible ability to listen. You're always had a lending ear, offering support and understanding to everyone around you. It's unique, just like you, and hopefully, every time you see it, it will remind you of the countless times you offered comfort and a listening ear to others. This gift is a small token of appreciation for your immense kindness and empathy. Happy birthday, Ogmo. Please, ka?
Yay! Thank you. Thank you guys for the gift, guys. Okay, so thank you for your thoughtful gifts and messages. Jane appreciates it so much, and us, your family, appreciate it as well. Okay, so now the moment that you've been waiting for. Mag-break ka na, mag-out sa ta before tayo proceed sa 80s. Gutom na itong principal sponsor.